Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are planning for the week of January 10th through January 16th, 2022 in my social media dashboard classic size planner. I have already gone ahead and whited out these headers that I'm never going to use. I left to buy because I still need to find the equipment I need to hold my new camera and stuff like that, so I figured leave that section alone. But since there's not a whole lot I do with this, I think it's probably going to be pretty quick. I'm going to try to stick to one sticker book again, so we're going with the Bold and Blush. This is made for a big size Happy Planner, but I looked through it and I think I can suit this to my needs here just fine. I hope, anyway. So we'll see how that goes. So let's see, I wanted some small-ish header type boxes to start with. I knew I saw them here somewhere. Oh, they have triangles. I didn't see... They're not triangles, they're like the pointy edges. Okay, wait, here's some normal ones. I'm not big on the pointy edge ones. Okay, we're gonna put one here. And here. Oh, there's a longer one for over there. I might like that if it fits. I got that one. This one. And then let's see. This longer one, this might be too long. Yeah, it's too long. I got all excited. Okay. I'm gonna try to put this back in the book without ruining it. Didn't do such a good job there. Alright, well, I guess I could use this one over here. Alright. Where were the bullets I saw? There are bullets in here. Which is nice because last week we were cutting up checklists and it didn't really go so well. 7 times 2 is 14, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's make sure there are more bullets in here before I run into a problem. And I'm pretty sure I saw more than that. There's those little flags, I could use those. I'm pretty sure I saw more bullets. It just might be back towards the front. Alright, so we've got these bullets. There we go. Bullets. Okay, so we'll leave those alone. And we'll use these tweezers. Alright, so I need 14. 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so we're going to do an entire row and then one. Oops. Yeah, that's a good place to put them. A little crooked. Starting to wonder how much longer this size planner will be feasible before I have to stick in so many pieces of extra notebook paper that it's just not worthwhile to stick with this size anymore. I mean, I could always just grab one of my notebooks and make it a companion to this, and that would save me having to go up to a big and try to figure out how to work with that, because it will be too big for what I need at first. Maybe we'll try the notebook. I'm not looking forward to. I mean, don't get me wrong. I want to get to the point where I need, like, 12 planners for all this stuff, but we're not there yet, so it's a little ridiculous that I should need to upgrade this size planner already. I think maybe it's just my atrocious large handwriting. So we're gonna hope that that's the issue and see if we can't do something else like a notebook. That would probably be good. Alright, so put one box here. Wish that was straight. One box here. Last week I did the 2 big double boxes, and that worked out pretty well. And yeah, none of these are straight, so let's hope that looks like a stylistic thing. Did it on purpose, really. Alright. Yeah, it's just putting things on straight is not going well for me today. And that one's kind of straight. Alright. We'll go that way. So I'm going to end up probably putting undo on that, but it's just, I just write things down there. It's not that crucial. I would like to put a quote in here somewhere, though. Oh, okay, this one's good. And okay, now where can I fit you? Let's see. Right here. Definitely not the best spread done. But as you can tell, I don't particularly feel well, so I guess this will have to do, because it's going to serve its purpose, and this one gets written in and scribbled on more than any of the others, except for maybe my work planner. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.